gone away. Something started today. Where did it go? Why you wanted to be where you know November has gone? It's gone.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're back at it with a new video. I was in India for a while during Christmas and had to go there visit my family. I had a couple things going on back home, and right now I'm back at my office doing new stuff. So for this one, we have a couple interesting stuff which happened, and a major sad event, if you will. So the thing is, I've been working on this new project called Merlach. If you guys watched my previous videos, you would know that I was working on a financial fintech platform called Merlach, but unfortunately I won't be able to release it to the public. However, I used it personally, and I'm gonna show you the results. So yeah, simply put, I was not able to publish it due to some legal issues. A risk that I would have to take, even if it was under my name or my organization's name, would be massive. And right now, a risk like that gone south would impact us like heavily. So I decided to move it to the side, use it personally, and then we are working on a new project. At the moment, I am coding it. Also, this is not going to be an MVP that we publish. In fact, we are trying so hard to make it production level before we publish it. Matter of fact, I have some very important checklists to complete before we publish it to the public, and it's gonna be a while, but definitely something worth looking out for. So I'd get more into details about it in the coming videos, but yeah, let's get into the results from personal use of Merlach. Alright, so I'm gonna open my trading account that I set up for this particular experiment. I did follow the legal necessities required so that I don't get in trouble. So this is the account value at the moment right now, and looking at the last 5 days, we are at a negative 1.6% loss of the portfolio value. The cumulative P&L, you can see that it has come up around 89%. These are a couple of the trades that I've taken in the past. Looking at it, you can see the profits are very small, considering the fact that the investment on each of these stocks are very small, but then for a very short period of time. So like a couple days is what the position was held for before it was liquidated again. So like I said, I thought of my customers, my audience, the people that I'm building this app for. So initially my thought was, I'm building this app for people who are not financially up there, people who don't have enough to invest big on stocks, right? So that's my goal. So for example, students who would have like $25 or $30 to invest a week, that's the audience that I was targeting. And it actually came, when you look at it, it did a good job. So even though the cumulative P&L was around 90%, at the max it was 100%. On an absolute scale, if it were an investment in a bank, and if you did a lump sum investment for over a year with 4% interest rate in America, you are still better off investing in Merlach, because it did around 20%, 20 to 25% on absolute is what it did, which is far better than investing in a bank. Also, what I did was emulate it with the limitations that I had, and with the lack of resources and money and investment that I had. I was able to do a pretty solid 20% over a year. So this was a long stretch experiment, and I could be wrong. I could be saying the wrong analysis, but hopefully my analysis is right. And was this a crazy performance by my system? Absolutely not. But did it perform better than the benchmarks? It did. So honestly, yeah, I'd say it was pretty solid. Was it a really good performing app? Not really, but given the constraints that I had, given the investment regulations that I had on myself and my accounts, I'd say that it would have been a really good fit given some tweaks here and there. So that's it for Merlach. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. It's the 26th of January. It's a Sunday, and I just had my first meal. It's already 2 p.m. Got done with a couple meetings, talks, discussion with the investor, co-founder, all that good stuff. Got some assignments to do later, and then right now I'm headed for my first jiu-jitsu roll in a while. Yeah. Yo.
What up, big guy?
Plenty more. You're my hope for the night, oh. Give me more control. Slow down for the night, oh. Let me know. That you down for the vibe. Are you down for the vibe, oh. We don't say bye-bye. You can see my eyes. Then I'm on the rise, oh. I believe by the light. Your body be smiling, oh. Easier than I silo.
All right. So I just got back from jiu-jitsu, and yeah, it was a fun roll. So anyways, I digress. So Merlach's gonna be active. I'm gonna use it for my personal use. However, this other project is something that I am trying to get to the public, and it's a project that I worked on previously, and right now I am coding out some of the parts of the project. And we do have a couple users already registered and using our platform on Android. We're planning to scale this project. AI is definitely booming right now. Like, it's probably at one of its peak moments. So we're definitely gonna integrate AI, and there are some plans. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.